Today we're going to show you how to take napkins and decoupage them onto fabric.
Who's in your jacket?
We have a friend!
Chicken! It's Chicken! What are we doing today?
We're so excited!
What
Today
are we doing?
we are getting ready for Christmas.
We got all these cute napkins. You can decoupage on all kinds of things. Here's some shoes that have been decoupaged with napkins. And look at these. I'm gonna decoupage onto these Christmas stockings with Christmas napkins. We gotta tell the truth. I did it and I messed up. I'm telling you how I messed up so that you don't mess up.
When you open the napkin, it's gonna look like this. And right now it is double layered. You need to peel this front part off.
Because there's 3 layers. You can easily peel it apart and think you got both layers off, but you can keep the second layer and then it will get kind of wrinkly. And I needed to peel off both layers.
Then she learned from her mistakes.
I cut up a variety of napkins in a patchwork pattern. Then I laid them out onto the stocking.
What's this?
Liquid patina.
Mara LaFay calls it the secret sauce. You know why?
Because it seals it all up.
It does a bunch of things.
Liquid patina is a matte sealer for furniture, but you can also use it as a decoupage.
You use this sponge brush right here, and then you spread it on this or your shoes or whatever it is that you want to decoupage, and then you lay the napkin on it.
I'm trimming the edges with a pair of scissors, but there is a better way. I learned from Mara LaFay of Vintage Retail Therapy that you can take a small paintbrush, dip it in water, and get a perfect edge.
After you get your napkins on the surface of your choice, you put a thin layer on. Let that dry completely. You know why you let it dry first? The napkins are really
Thin.
paper thin, and they can
If
rip.
you peel it off right, they're paper
Yeah,
thin.
you want it to be paper thin. And so you put a light layer and then you press it down and it looks kind of wrinkly.
To avoid excessive wrinkling, it's very important that your first coat be very light. Don't use too much product or the napkin will wrinkle up. I had to go back over some of the areas because some of the napkins I had only peeled up the first layer and I didn't realize it until after I was done.
Paint in between, layer napkins upon napkins. Like I used 5 different kinds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here I'm applying glue and glitter in between the napkin lines to create a cleaner edge. As the napkins dry, the wrinkles go away. If you have wrinkles even after the project is dried, you can put parchment paper over the top and apply light heat with an iron.
You're all the songs I wish I'd sung. You're the ocean side in the middle of July. You're all the reasons why I've been waiting for so long.
We sell a super fun kit with the blank stocking, the napkins, the glitter, and the decoupage medium on my website, DIYagogo.com. Click the link below to find out more.
My love, you're the only one I'm thinking of, and I will love you for a million years.
Mara LaFay of Vintage Retail Therapy has another video showing how to decoupage hats and shoes. I will put the links below. I highly recommend watching these videos as well. We also have in-person workshops at my store in Encinitas. If you would like to attend one, click the link below.
Every single day, in every single way.
If you have an old pair of shoes and you want a decoupage, you can totally fix them up and bring them back to life. We sell the decoupage stuff, the liquid patina. We sell like assorted packs of napkins, and we sell the stockings. This is the before. This is the after. Isn't it cute?
Get a-
Before.
After.
Before.
after.
Yeah, you can get these on DIYagogo.com. So subscribe if you haven't already. Let us know in the comments if you've ever decoupaged anything.
Or what other things have you decoupaged so we can get some ideas. Thank you guys.
In dollars couldn't keep me from you, baby. There's no one above you. Oh, and I wanna ever leave you. Don't you know that all I need is you? And oh my.
Find DIY paint in your area or to sell it in your store. Click the link below. Thanks for watching.